Is Oreo's ice cream the coolest and easiest recipe ever? Yes. Hello, Sweet Fingers lovers. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Basa, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make the best ice cream from the comfort of your home. Let's get right into it. In a bowl, we're just going to add a cup of whipping cream. This is the powder form. Then we're just going to add cold water to this. Bring out your whisk and let's start whisking this to perfection. So we're just going to whisk this for just 5 minutes until it's fluffy and it's double in size, just like this. This is what we have after 5 minutes. So at this stage, we don't want to over whip our whipped cream, or else it's going to turn to butter. So we're just going to add our other ingredients. Look at how fluffy and easy this is to make. So I'm just going to add a cup of condensed milk to this. Just a cup is fine. Then we're just going to add our flavor. For my flavor, I'm using condensed milk flavor. So I'm just going to mix this together. After mixing this, so I'm just going to crush my Oreos, and mind you, I didn't use just this one. I crushed about 2 to 3 Oreos. So this is what we have. So I'm just going to add it inside my ice cream. And then mix together. So I'm just going to bring out my bowl and pour this inside. I'm just trying to smoothen the top, and then I'm going to add crushed Oreos on top of it again. Then I'm just going to get my cling film, cover this, and put it in the freezer and allow it to freeze between 4 to 8 hours. It should be ready depending on your freezer. And after that, this is what we have. Our ice cream is frozen. So all I had to do is just to serve this and also decorate this. I just added extra cookies, extra Oreos cookies to it, just to the top. And this is the best ice cream you can ever and will ever taste or make. It's so easy. So let me know if you will trying this recipe. Thank you.